Hi guys, ever wondered why there are so many traffic rules? If traffic rules did not exist, then there will be chaos and congestion on the streets. The traffic rules allow the movement of vehicles in a systematic and ease the commuting process. Talking of rules, let's look at simple rules of exponents which help in simplifying exponential expressions. Let's look at the first one. How do we simplify 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 2 raised to 3? Notice that the base of both the numbers is the same. On writing the powers in the expanded form, we see that 2 is multiplied by itself 7 times, which is in the exponential form is 2 raised to 7. We can see that the exponent 7 in the result is nothing but the sum of the exponents 4 and 3 of the numbers which are getting multiplied, while the base 2 is the same. Let us generalize this now. Consider a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n. A raised to m implies a multiplied by itself m times, and a raised to n means a multiplied by itself n times. Then in the product, the base a gets multiplied m plus n times. So we have the product rule according to which a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n equals a raised to m plus n. In a nutshell, when multiplying like bases, keep the base the same and add the exponents. Next, consider the division shown. Here we have 2 powers with like bases in division. Let's simplify this. 3 raised to 5 means that 3 is multiplied by itself 5 times, and 3 raised to 2 means 3 multiplied by itself twice. This, on simplification, gives 3 multiplied by itself thrice, which can be expressed as 3 raised to power 3. Can you catch the relation between powers being divided and the simplified power? The base is the same, that is 3, while the exponent is the difference of the exponents of the number in the numerator and that in the denominator. In general, when dividing like bases, keep the base the same and subtract the denominator exponent from the numerator exponent. This is the quotient's law of exponents. Thus, a raised to m divided by a raised to n equals a raised to m minus n. Let's look at another example. Observe this expression. This is the 4th power of the 2nd power of 3. So this is the power of a power. This can be written as the 2nd power of 3 multiplied by itself 4 times. Since the base of the numbers getting multiplied is the same, so on applying the product rule, this is equal to 3 raised to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, or 3 raised to 8. So the 4th power of the 2nd power of 3 is equal to the 8th power of 3. Let's find the relation between the exponents on the right side and that on the left side of the equality. The exponent 8 is the product of the exponents 2 and 4 is raised to the base 3. So, when raising a base with an exponent to another exponent, keep the base the same and multiply the exponents. Hence, a raised to m raised to n equals a raised to m times n. Follow these rules and simplify your exponents. Goodbye.